Bonjour mes étudiants. Aujourd'hui, je suis présenté le subjonctif avec les doigts. Therefore, this is really essential to thorough with this lesson because this is your last lesson according to your G.C.E.A level national curriculum. I'm your teacher, Shamini Piris. Therefore, after my presentation, you can read the presentation more and more times and listen to the presentation more and more times. Therefore, then you can have a good knowledge about the subjunctive form. Yes, my dear students, the main objects after learning this lesson are you will be able to further use French grammar and vocabulary appropriately in written communication. After learning this lesson, you will be able to use appropriately these subjunctive tenses. Then you can have the ability to understand texts based on subjunctive phrases. Because in your G.C.E.A level paper, there may be comprehensions based on subjunctive phrases. They have mentioned one or two subjunctive phrases among your comprehension. Therefore, if you thorough with the subjunctive lesson, you will be really benefited to understand those types of sentences. Yes, I already told you that today I'm going to do the subjunctive lesson with you. Already I have done some tenses with you. I have completed these tenses with you. Present tense, past tense, order form, pliskapave means had plus past participle, future, the near future, le passé récent, and the futur antérieur. Today I'm going to do the subjunctive present with you because for the national curriculum A level, you may have only to concern about the subjunctive present. That means subjunctive indicates the reality subjectively. It indicates only the reality. It indicates unsure or uncertain actions about reality. But the tenses we already learned with you. The indicative, it's about fact, about some sure, about something, and some objective. Already these tenses indicates the reality objectively. It indicates the actions which are used to happen. It indicates the actions which are used to happen. Are these uncertain or unsure? No. The indicative tenses we already learned about, they are quite sure actions which are sure to happen. But today our lesson is focused on subjunctive. Subjunctive indicates the unsure or uncertain actions, not about the certain actions. It indicates about the unsure or uncertain action. You have to keep in mind subjunctive always concern about the uncertain or unsure actions, and the tenses we already learned with you are concerned about the sure actions. Okay, today I'm going to do the subjunctive present with you. Subjunctive present means this mood refers to express someone's opinion or deals with hypothetical situation. Means already I have in the previous slides I have told you. The subjunctive means it's about unreality or uncertainty or unsure about something which happens. Okay, to form this subjunctive present you have to add es, ions, iez, ent to the latter part of the verb. Okay, then I have given some er verbs to you how to conjugate it with subjunctive. See, regardez, it's already similar. E, put then es, ions, iez, ent. But ale, can you see it's totally different? You have put es, ions, iez, ent, but the verb already it's totally different because ailles, likewise it's totally different. Nage, can you see nage, nages, nage, they have cut e and put ions. Then Nagie, N-A-G, they have cut I, so they have cut E and put I-E is it. These are the different form of this verb. Nu and Wu are the different, little bit different. If ER verbs comes, you have to conjugate it like this. For the IR verbs, you have to conjugate it putting E, ES, E, IONS, IES, DNT. For the irregular IR, there are some changes. Therefore, please refer the tables several times. Then you can get an idea how to conjugate IR verbs in subjunctive. This is how to form RE verbs in subjunctive. I have given 6 verbs to you. Konduir, ekrir, dir, konetra, vivra, lir. I know that already you know the meanings of these verbs. Konduir means to drive, ekrir means to ride, dir means to tell, konetra means to know, vivra means to live, lir means to read. Okay. Then you have to study these 6 RE verbs in subjunctive. After learning these 6 verbs, if any RE verbs comes in under subjunctive category, then you can easily conjugate it. In this slide, I am going to talk with you about some verbs have irregular forms in the present subjunctive. Can you see I have provided you some 6 verbs: metra, prondra, fair, crandre, bua, saua. Can you see when you conjugate fair, it's totally different from the other conjugations. Its latter part is same, but the upper part is totally different from the other formations. In the next slide also, I am going to talk with you about some more irregular present subjunctive verbs. They are puva, dawa, vuluva, valuva, etra, asva. Therefore, you need to be very careful while studying them because these are irregular present subjunctive. Yes, I'm talking about some expressions which will be useful to you for your exam. I have given some expressions to you. Please study them carefully. If one of these expression comes, you only have to put a subjunctive verb with these expressions. Therefore, please study these expressions carefully. Okay, study slides carefully because studying carefully you can access more marks. Therefore, now I'm going to end up my presentation. Have a good day to you all. Merci pour écouter ma présentation. Au revoir.